Hey, welcome everybody to another video. Hey, today's video, we're making garlic pizza knots, which are a perfect appetizer for any of your get-togethers, Super Bowl parties, anything like that. These things are awesome. You have to try them out here. As we go through this video, I'll show you exactly how to make them. We're starting right now. Okay, so first we're going to put in our olive oil. Melted butter, minced garlic, parsley, chopped fine, finely chopped, and finally our Parmesan cheese. Whisk this together. Okay, next we're going to roll these biscuits out. Put a little bit of flour on the work surface. Flour on the roll. We're going to cut each one of them in half. Take our butter mixture and brush that on. Okay, next we're going to just take these and we're going to pinch them together and then roll them into a knot. So after you have them all rolled up, this is kind of what they look like. Nice little roll with pepperoni and cheese in it. Alright, then we're going to take and place these in to a greased pan. Once we do that, then we're going to spread some more of our butter mixture over the top. And then finally we're going to finish it off with sprinkle some cheese and a few more pepperoni on top. there you have it, guys. That's how we make garlic pizza rolls. Hopefully you get a chance to try this recipe out. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Everyone here in my family's really enjoyed the recipe, and it's gonna be a perfect thing to take to your next get together. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and if you want to see other videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and then you can also make sure to click the little bell that'll notify you every time I put out a new video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.